Lons 2. Yes, you heard right. Lons 2. Arsenal 1. We went 1-0 up. 1-0 up, and then decided to play absolutely horrendous. Well done, Tomiyasu. Only player on that pitch tonight that can walk off and say, do you know what? I did my job. I was epic. I was great. The rest of them, you are a bunch of wasters. Absolute wasters. But what do I know? If you can't see what Mikel Arteta's doing, we've got man out here in pre-season. Yeah, we've got man out here in the start of the season when the draw's done. Even I was stupid enough to believe we'd win 6 out of 6. Should have known. I'm going to share Twitter in a minute because I want you to see the absolute shamelessness of this football club that I support. In fact, it's not the football club I support. The football club I support died when we moved stadium. This is now a PR exercise, coercive tactics, subconscious control, yeah, vibes, unicorns, sparkles, yeah, and just basically virtue signaling. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. And a clothing brand. Is what it is. Before we get into it, and as you can see, I am fuming. And people go, oh, it's only one game. You can still get out the group. Good one, mate. We've got Sevilla away next. If we lose that game, they'll be 2 points ahead of us. If PSV lose to Lons, who are top, we'll be 4 points behind them. All of a sudden, we're looking at Europa League settings in what is one of the easiest groups on paper. But again, the game ain't played on paper. Yeah. And Mikel Arteta, again, we're getting to him in a minute. Smash the like button. Big up to everybody who watched the watch along. And RIP to my fallen brother, Chiggy Chig, 2 years today. Hope life's treating you better up there, mate. Anyway, make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. Yeah, Lee Reacts. Yeah. This is the Arteta pack. The Arteta pack. This is the Kai Havertz pack. Now, I'm going to share Twitter before we delve in properly to this fan cam, because I have blocked my football club tonight. I have absolutely had enough of them. And if you think I'm joking, watch. Blocked. Blocked. View posts. Incredible away support once again, Gooners. Okay, right. I don't know how many Arsenal fans went away. Big up to all of them. You listen, over land and sea. And Leicester. Yeah, and all of that. We'll see you back at the Emirates on Sunday. Right, number one, the first thing I take out of that, Gooners. Anyone who knows what that word means would know these idiots that run this account, yeah, are so clueless from our history. It is insane. The Goon Squad, the Gooners. It was the firm, you dickheads, right? We'll see you back at the Emirates. They're assuming you're going to rock up again because it's a given. You're just going to be there, isn't it? You're just going to be there. You're just going to be there again, isn't it? And anyone who thinks I take the mick when I say this, right? Anyone who thinks I take the mick, heads up, on to the next. Heads up onto the next, like it's nothing that we've just lost the Champions League game away to Lons, who sit 15th in the Farmers League, which is now not apparently part of the top 5 leagues. Heads up onto the next, like it's nothing. Not only that, another thing that is wrong with this, firstly, there's no accountability. Secondly, they are taking a wholesale mick. Yeah, I am seriously, I don't want to swear. Using Kai Havertz as the pitcher. Using Kai Havertz as the pitcher. Subconscious control. Coercive tactics, controlling tactics, subconscious tactics. Call it whatever you want, right? I've been told that this guy, after he got a sympathy penalty, a pity penalty, which in a game where he got voted man of the match by our fans, make that make sense. But again, the forced agenda. Oh, but we're all feeling part of something. Oh, he's built a team and a culture that's ready to win. They can't even beat Lons, mate. Can't even beat Lons. Couldn't beat PSV last season. Couldn't beat Villarreal. Couldn't beat Olympiacos. Couldn't beat Sporting Lisbon. We've got the easiest group out of anyone other than maybe Man City. In fact, let me go back to Twitter and share it again. Because this is how dumb I am. And I am dumb. Firstly, they're blocked, as you can see. I quote tweeted them. Like it's nothing. Did the same against City 4-1 last season. Using Hazard, blah, blah, blah. Big up to Curtis Shaw. 60 million down the drain. Havertz doing nothing again. Right? 31st of August, when that group was drawn. That group is 6 wins on the spin. No joke. Cheers. I quoted my own tweet. I should have known. I should have known. But yet again, idiot over here, Muggins, Div, whatever you want to call me, got sucked in because I looked at that group and I thought, yo, the only tough game really in that group is Seville away. Now it's a must win. Because if we lose that game, they go above us by 2 points. Lons will most likely beat PSV, which means they'll be 4 points clear of us, which means we're going back to the Europa League. The Europa League. But then we play Seville again immediately afterwards the following week. If they draw that game, oh my days. Oh my days. If this guy doesn't get out of that group, he needs to be left wherever it is that we're playing. Just leave him there. Leave him there. He should be sacked anyway. I didn't want this guy in the first place. And it's not just about one game. Oh, but Lee, it's your first loss all season. Like, blah, 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 blah. Cool, whatever, whatever. I see the bigger picture. I said to Fluers earlier, big up Terry, sub to the Football Terrace if you ain't already. I said to Terry earlier, it wouldn't surprise me if United lost. Oh, they lost. Wouldn't surprise me if Sahar turned. Oh, he turned up. Wouldn't surprise me, yeah, if Saka goes off injured tonight. Oh, lo and behold, Saka went off injured. This guy signed 26, 27 players, whatever it is, done 650 million quid, and has never signed a right winger. What do I know? What do I know? Yeah. Oh, but Lee, your boy Trossard did nothing tonight, and you said he's Arsenal's best player. Okay, who's your best player? Well, Odegaard. Oh, sorry? Odegaard. Odegaard. Last seen pushing Kai Havertz towards the away fans, mate. Yeah, after doing up a load of PR on the pitch. Oh, Jesus, give it to Havertz. Oh, pushing. Oh, yeah, idiot. Yeah, ghost again. Ghost. Ghost, 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 ghost. Declan Rice tonight. I like you a lot, mate. I think you've been brilliant since you've got here. You've taken to Arsenal like a duck to water. You were shit tonight. I swore. Saliba. My boy. I love you too, bro. What are you doing for that second goal? Why are you running towards the goalkeeper like you want to lips him up? You know when you do the grabbing and all that? Yeah, in the traveller community, you grab, yeah? It was almost like he was running to Raya to grab him. Why aren't you engaging your man? Declan Rice. Just running, just jogging behind him. He sneaks in between both of you and scores a cracking goal. Zinchenko, cooked. Cook. Man was on slow cook. Slow cook. In fact, not even slow cook. He was shocking. 1 minute he's at left back, then he's playing in midfield. We then play him in midfield for 25 minutes. We put him back at left back. Just sell him. Get rid of him. Ben White didn't start tonight. I'm a poet. I fully know it. Well done to Tomiyasu. You were the only player, my friend, and I don't think you're good enough to represent this football club on a consistent basis. But you know what you do? Every time you play, yeah, you give 100%. And sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe, but majority of the time, you are consistent. You are basically the Japanese Monreal. You are pretty much a 7 out of 10 every time you play. Very similar to Mohamed El Neni, by the way. So I won't get on to you. Yeah, I'll give you a pass pretty much 99% of the time. Because you know what? Even if you cost us a goal against City and Kevin De Bruyne scores. Oh, well, mistakes happen. Which is why I give you a pass. But you know what? You were class tonight, mate. Fair play to you. You were the best player on the pitch the other night as well. Yeah? Fair play to you that night. Yeah, this guy, unbelievable tonight. The only player that can walk off of that pitch, yeah, and say that he played well. And say that he played well. Fabio Vieira, what did you do? Oh, but he's an impact. Oh, he did well. Shut up. Yeah, shut up. Bukayo Saka, well done. You set up Jesus for the goal. Cool. Whatever. Now you're injured again, yeah? Listen, I'm recording this straight after the watch along. I've seen a little bit of reports here and there. It ain't looking good for Bukayo Saka, bro. Maybe you should have been hooked. Like I said, oh, but Lee, just be happy we won the game. Oh, we beat Bournemouth. He should have been subbed on 55 minutes when we scored the third. In fact, he should have been subbed at half time. But you're negative, innit? You're negative. You're toxic. Cool. Eddie Nketiah, nah. Your defense is in trouble. How many goals has he scored since that dead song was made up about him? Probably 3, 4. Mikhailo Mudryk has got 1 Premier League goal less than Eddie this season. Just saying, innit? Yeah, Gabby Jesus. Gabby Jesus. Great finish. Fantastic goal. Well done, mate. He needs to give me more tonight. He needs to give me more. Gabriel Magalhaes, been our best defender since the turn of the year, since the World Cup. Tonight he was bang average. Bang average. Bang average. Kai Havertz. Oh, that penalty, the confidence and all of that. Yeah, good one, mate. It's got a Champions League final winner and didn't even touch 10 goals the next season, I don't think. Yeah, as for the manager, it's the history of the Arteta. Sack him. Yeah, and that's not reactionary because anyone goes, oh, it's reactionary. Yeah, guess what? Type in this channel name, Lee Gunner, yeah, Arteta out. Go to the oldest video, and it is 3 weeks before this clown got the job. But Lee, you profit off of Arsenal losses. Yeah, guess what, mate? I earn more money and will earn more money, yeah, off of the Arsenal-Tottenham game than I will tonight. I will earn more money off of beating Everton than tonight. Yeah, you lot do mental gymnastics. Yeah, at the end of the day, I've been calling this manager out for time. You lot go game to game because you feel part of something. Let me tell you right now, this club couldn't give 2 Fs about you. Just proven that. We'll see you at the Emirates at the weekend. Heads up, on to the next. Oh, well done. Great away support, Gooners. Dickheads. Adios, amigos. Kenny's out next. Matty, and then player ratings. No Jez tonight. Player ratings with Matty and Kenny. Kenny's next. Laters. I'm done.